Yo, what's up? Today we are going to the trampoline park. It's because it's Camille's birthday today. Pinili lang namin itong ticket namin sa Metro din lang, and mas mura siya. 1 hour worth of jumping. What's up guys? Ito pala yung yung wall climbing na inanuhan nila Bansky. Cool. Dito lang pala yung yung wall climbing, di ba gusto mo niyan, Mi?
Oo, gusto ko.
Adult day pass 400, youth day pass 350.
Kaya to, 350.
Astig! Magkatabi lang pala yung trampoline park at saka yung yung climb central na isa pa naming gustong itry. And yeah, ito na yung trampoline park. So guys, worth 100 pesos bukod sa binili naming ticket. Ito worth 100 pesos, pero sa'yo na to. Yo, magpupustahan kami. Here to there. Tingnan natin kung sino mananalo. Ringless, man. Ringless. Papahabulin natin. Isa pa. Beautiful girl.
Yes! Nakatira!
Wow! Mountain climbing! Wow! Oh, ikaw naman! Wow! Wow! Oh, go! Go! Woo! 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 Woo!
dyan. Ako i-stray mo! Ate! Paano ba? Tapon mo! Talaga siya. Go, Kuya Iens! Yun! Yun! Ano yun?
And that concludes our trampoline park experience. Magre-rest lang kami and then kain mode. Nakapagpalit na kami ng damit and nag-chill-chillax na lang kami dito. Right? And happy birthday once again.
Hey!
Hi guys, we're done trampoline.
Na-hyper si Ebrel lalo.
Me, how's your experience sa trampoline park?
Ayun, sarap. Dati di
Ano?
ako makatalon. Ngayon nakakatalon na.
Wow! Ikaw din, how was your experience?
Saya, ang taas ng talon ko.
Like how high?